Alright guys, it's me again, and we're going to continue putting stuff together. So we're going to start with some of the front screws here. And in the other videos they said not to screw them in all the way because the gauge tube would be really hard to get in. So I'm just going to do this a little bit. I'm going to put back here. I'm going to do this one down here. Yeah. Okay. Now we take spring, goes right down there, and we take power tube. This I have the stock bolt. I haven't tried the bad Karma bolts or anything like that, and that just goes right down there. Now we put this thing in it, the little plug guy, goes right in there like that. Let me just push that forward. No, okay. Keep in mind I'm doing this with one hand, so that was it. That was it, okay. Now, what we gotta do here is take this thing, there we go. Now I push that in like that. Oh. That was easy. Okay. Now we'll tighten down the rest of these screws. Unless they were already tightened all the way. Which it seems they were. Now up here. Now this guy. And it's all together. Well, most of it at least. Now we take the grip frame. If you have any of the aftermarket trigger kits for it with that requires this piece to complete the gap between the trigger and the magazine, you're gonna have to take it out because it won't fit in there with that. So you gotta remove that. And that just goes in there like that. Now we take our push pins, which I guess are right here. I hope these aren't for the, oh, here it is, there's one. There it goes, okay. Whew. That was pretty difficult. And now we take the M4 stock. That goes back in there. We've got the 2 pins, the long and the short one. It slides in pretty easily, which means RAV4 got their measurements right, which is good. My hands are sweaty too. There it goes. And then we'll do this bottom one. And this will be it for part 2. Stay tuned for part 3.